Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You might think you know Pennsylvania, with its rich history, rolling farmlands, and bustling cities. But what if I told you there are places within the Keystone State, so utterly bizarre, so hilariously named, you will swear they cannot be real? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because today we're diving into 11 Pennsylvania towns so weird you will be checking your atlas twice. Let us jump right in. First up, we have Centralia. You have probably heard of this one, and for good reason. Centralia is a real-life ghost town with an underground mine fire that has been burning since 1962. That is right, over 60 years. Imagine steam rising from cracks in the ground, roads slowly crumbling, and an entire town basically abandoned due to an inferno beneath its feet. It is like a scene straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie, but it is 100% real and incredibly eerie. Next, let us talk about some names that will make you do a double take. First, there is Intercourse. Yes, you heard that right. This charming Lancaster County village is famous for its suggestive name, often baffling tourists. It was founded in 1754, and its name might come from old coaching terms, like the intersection of two roads or a place for friendly social interaction. Either ways makes for some memorable road trip photos. And if Intercourse was not enough, just down the road you will find Blue Ball. Also in Lancaster County, its name is believed to come from an inn called the Blue Ball Hotel, which featured a blue ball sign. Pennsylvania clearly has a thing for quirky names, especially in Moshik country. But wait, there are more oddly named places. How about Lickdale, or Ruffin and Ready? And for something truly out of this world, there is Mars. This small borough in Butler County fully embraces its cosmic name with a flying saucer statue in the town square and a general out-of-this-world vibe. It is a small town with a huge sense of humor and a unique identity. Then we have Punxsutawney, a town that needs no introduction, especially if you love groundhogs predicting the weather. Every February 2nd, the world turns its eyes to Punxsutawney Phil, the furry meteorologist. The entire tradition is wonderfully strange and a testament to Pennsylvania's unique cultural tapestry. Imagine a whole town built around a rodent's shadow. It is quirky, it is fun, and it is very real. Moving to something a little spooky, we visit Hellertown. With a name like that, you might expect something infernal, but it is actually a lovely town in the Lehigh Valley. However, its name and local legends, including nearby Devil's Pool, certainly add to its mystique. It is a town with a surprisingly dark allure. Have you ever visited a town named simply Graffiti? This small community in Wayne County certainly has a weighty name. It just sounds like the kind of place where things might feel a little different, maybe even a bit surreal. Then there is Ole, a township in Berks County, known for its historic architecture and its connection to Pennsylvania Dutch folk magic, especially hex signs. These colorful geometric patterns were believed to ward off evil and bring good fortune, and you can still see them adorning barns throughout the region. It is a glimpse into a unique cultural heritage that feels almost magical. And finally, we have Belton in Beaver County. While not as outwardly weird as Smothers, Baden has a fascinating history tied to mineral springs, aiming to be a resort town, like the famous Baden-Baden in Germany. It is a town that dreamt big and has a unique, almost forgotten, old-world charm that feels a little out of place in modern Pennsylvania. From towns eternally burning to groundhog meteorologists and places named after celestial bodies, Pennsylvania is packed with surprises. It just goes to show you that even in the most familiar places, there are always hidden gems and truly bizarre stories waiting to be discovered. So if you've ever visited any of these wild Pennsylvania towns, or do you know of another weird spot in the Keystone States that should have made our list? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour of Pennsylvania's strangest places, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more weird travel content, and ring that notification bell so you do not miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.